Hello everybody, today we will try to use the Snapmaker to milling aluminium. I have a very soft aluminium. What I ordered for this time was a Collet ER11, a 1/4 inch, and I ordered some flat end mill, 6mm, 50 long. To have a better heat removal, I choose 4 fluids because I think it's better when it rotates, that the heat can be transferred better. That's what I'm mounting to the printer already, and let's take a look how it performs. Let me conclude a little bit on this. My settings was spindle speed 12,000 RPM and 600mm work speed. And what we did was 4 steps from 0.25mm. I would not do it again like this. I would suggest to only make 0.1 per step, because I think the machine is not strong enough to run like this. But overall it looks pretty good, and I think you can do it, but you have to do it more slowly. Also small steps from 0.1, and then it should be fine, it should work.